Today we're making a buttercream daisy. For this, you'll need a medium or small petal tip, either tip 124 or 104. You'll also need a grass tip like 133, 233 or any similar tip you have on hand. I've prepared two colors of buttercream and placed them side by side inside one piping bag. I want the base of my daisy petals to be yellow, so I've aligned the yellow buttercream with the white end of the tip and the white buttercream with the narrow end. This will give us that natural gradient in the petals. Before you start piping, I recommend crumb coating your cupcake. A crumb coat is just a thin layer of buttercream applied before decorating. It helps catch any loose crumbs and gives your flower something to stick to. Now let's start piping. Begin by piping elongated teardrop shapes around the outer edge of the cupcake. When you reach the curve at the top of each petal, lift your piping tip slightly. This helps create that pretty cupped shape. Next, we'll add a second row of petals just inside the first. You can do more layers if you like, but this time I'm stopping at 2. Now take a little yellow buttercream and pipe a small mound in the center of your flower. Using the grass tip, pipe the stamen right on top of that yellow mound. And here's the finished daisy. If you're new to buttercream flowers, don't worry if your first few tries don't look perfect. That's totally normal. Just keep practicing. With consistency, you'll get better and more confident with each flower you make. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can revisit this tutorial anytime and stay updated with new videos. And I'd love to invite you to my free buttercream flower class on TikTok. It's live every Saturday at 7 p.m. Central Time. No sign-ups or email required. Just follow me on TikTok and turn on your notifications. When I go live, TikTok will send you an alert and you can hop right in to watch, ask questions, and learn in real time. I hope to see you there.